Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to send self-destructing photos on Telegram. So let's get straight into the video. It's a very simple process. All you need to do is open the message that you want to send it to, click on the paperclip icon on the bottom of your screen, and simply go ahead and select the photo that you want to send. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and look for the View Once tab. What you need to do is tap over here and simply go ahead and make it to view once. So if you still haven't found where you can simply go ahead and click on in order to go ahead and make it view once, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap and hold the send button and you can make it view once on your Android device. Or if you want to do it on an iOS device, what you can do is simply go ahead and start a secret chat and then send it. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.